Hey guys, today I will show you my top 5 games for PS3. The first one is Grand Theft Auto Episodes from Liberty City for PS3. On that disc you have 2 episodes, The Lost in Demand and The Bout of Gay Tony. It's Lost in Demand is like that. You are always on motorbike and that's annoying. And that the Bout of Gay Tony is my best because Bout of Gay Tony has great missions and else. The second one is Call of Duty Black Ops 2 or Call of Duty Black Operations 2. It's a good game to keep to play multiplayer campaign, and you can play zombies online or multiplayer or alone by yourself. The second one, third one is Via World Rally car racing. It's a great race. You can choose your cars and else. You can choose your where you can race. You have all of maps, Germany, France, and else. The 4 is Dead Rising 2 Off the Record for PS3. It's a good game. The best is the sandbox mode. You don't have missions, you just go around Fortune City and kill zombies and unlock challenges, or you can play the missions in story mode. And the last one is just Dead Rising 2. I have that 2 games because it's a good game. Fortune City, you don't have sandbox, you just have missions. You have your daughter Katie, and that's it. This is my top 5 games for PS3. For bonus games, click link in description. Bye.